welcome to my vlog.
Oh,
It's a barbecue party. It's a long queue going down. Matago pa yan ang haba ng pila. Ayun, papasok na kami. Malapit na kaming pumasok. Yeah. It's like same this one in the Philippines. Yeah, the weather. But it's not too much, huh? Now in the Philippines it's cold. Cha! Na lang, tulala. Umapagtag ang iyong luha. Guys, ito, bago kami pumasok, ano kami ng kamay. Disinfect. Guys, done. Ito guys, Day, ano na dyan ka na naman? Promoted. Guys, ito na yan guys. Ate, may naman tissue lang.